How long can you keep lemons in the fridge? How to store lemons for months? How to store lemons in fridge for a long time? When lemons are selling at a low price, it's time to preserve the vitamin C and antioxidant rich fruit for days when their prices soar. But how to store lemon in fridge for long time? Lemons do go bad very quickly. Hello friends, Ravneet Bhalla is here to share his experience of preserving lemons for more than a month. I always get a bag full of lemons from mom's garden. Paro baby has started helping Bua pluck these beauties that I can pack for my journey back home. So I brought quite a lot of lemons this time again when they had just started to ripen. The simplest way to store lemon in fridge is to pack them in a dry airtight container. However, you want to ensure that they remain dry all the time. Any moisture will make them go bad. Since your refrigerator has moisture, it is highly likely that water droplets will still stick to your preserved lemons. I always follow one trick to keep my lemons from moisture for as long as I can. After all, this way I can store lemons for long in fridge. What is that? Well, I use a tissue paper to cover small batches of lemon. Start with the tissue paper at the bottom of the container. Make sure the container is dry too. Make sure your lemons are dry and there is no water on them. I always wash them first and pat dry with a towel before piling them up in small batches in containers. What do I mean by small batches in containers? Well, you have to make a layer of lemons and tissue paper. Alternate with layer of lemon and tissue paper. Cover every single layer with the tissue paper so that it can soak any moisture before it touches the stored lemon. Repeat with the tissue paper and place a small batch of lemons, then cover with another paper and pack the next batch on top. When you reach the top, place a tissue paper again. Now close the lid and refrigerate. This way, your lemons will stay unspoiled for long. However, the story does not end here. You will still need to check your stock of lemons every week to ensure there is no moisture. If you find any moisture, please pat dry the lemons again. Remove them from the container, pat them dry, clean the container, pat it dry too. Then repeat the process of layering tissue paper and lemon and arranging the whole container this way. If you holistically practice this way of storing lemon, your lemons will stay good for months. Mine have been doing well for almost 2 months. It's been 1.5 months already. I hope you find this lemon preserving video useful. If you did, kindly do me a favor and spread the word about it and help others benefit too. Your one like and comment is a kind of motivation that I need regularly to continue posting. Take care until we meet next. Bye bye. See you again.